observe ko lang, sir, dito sa pang-apat na barangay na natin to, sir, parang pare-pareho yung mga program at mga gastusin, especially sa development projects, yung mga infrastructure and public works na ginagawa. And I understand na merong memorandum circular ang DILG na sinasabi allowable development projects. Ibig sabihin ba, dapat limited lamang dito sa listahan na ito pwede natin gawin o pwede tayong maging creative?
I don't think restricted lang siya kung ano nakalagay dyan, sir. Tama po kayo. We need to be creative provided na maitawid po natin, nasa justification na po yan on how, kung paano po natin masabi that this is under development projects. Kagaya po ng installation ng CCTV cameras, which is supposedly to address yung issues natin when it comes to peace and order din. Actually, nasa peace and order din siya. But since it is an infrastructure din project, so pasok siya sa development fund, sir.
Yeah, I think that's the best answer.